Hello everyone, have a nice day. At this time, what I want to show you guys is our brand new ARC 200. Maybe you guys will think it is MOSFET, but on the contrary, it uses IGBTs. Okay, here we go. As you can see, on the upper part of these machines, there are two basic corners, a frost front and a black edge, which makes it creative and professional. Let's see the front panel. There are two digital displays and two USBs and three locks. And the locks on the left side is for current adjustment, but the middle one is for arc force adjustment. The lock on the right side is hot start, and the current is 200 for now. You might ask what's the advantage of this machine. So I'd like to say that it has portable size, easy to move in welding. Furthermore, this machine has remarkable duty cycles at least 30%. In addition, the machines could easily scan many styles of electrical arcing with the biggest current. However, the price is pretty competitive. At last, you can see it has OC lamp. This will be lights on when the machine overloads and overheats. It means the machine has successful protections and ensures the security of user. Finally, what I want to say is that we sold these machines around the world, even in Europe, Japan, USA for 15 years. And production volume is 15,000 monthly. If you are interested in this model, feel free to contact our sales representative. See you.
Get loose when they hear the song.